Wrong one.
Oh. What are we doing? Tell me that.
What was that?
Noises.
They're back. Oh my gosh.
Here, I don't want to go.
I'll open the door. I'll open the door. But it's really dark in there.
Turn on the light. No one's out here.
Are you sure? I don't see anybody.
Why is that open? Hurry, go. Lock it. They're back. They can't be back.
I'll see how it could be that. Okay. No.
It's okay. Unlock it. No one's out here.
I don't see anybody either. It looks the same as me as before.
Felicia, did you tap on my shoulder?
No? Did you just tap on mine?
No.